Breanna Rangel, and I am a licensed professional counselor and licensed addiction counselor. I work at North Range Behavioral Health, and my title is Program Coordinator for the Jail-Based Behavioral Services Team, the Basic Team, which works with mandated clients, and the Restoration Team. So I am here today to tell you the 5 reasons, my top 5 reasons why you should choose a career in behavioral health. The first one for me is just the variety of options that are available within the behavioral health field, no matter what your interest, whether it's crisis, whether it's corrections, whether it's schools, there's a wide variety of career choices. Depending on what setting you want to work in, depending on what population you'd like to work in, there's just so many different choices there. The second reason for pursuing behavioral health for me would be just the opportunities for self-development and improvement. I can't think of another field professionally that allows so many options for just looking inside yourself, that self-development, and also supports you professionally in that professional development. I think that through the counseling process that counselors naturally learn and grow with their clients, and we tend to have an inquisitive nature anyway, kind of want to keep that learning process, that growth process going, both for our clients and for ourselves. The third reason to choose a career in behavioral health is the training opportunities. So just the idea that counselors, behavioral health professionals are constantly finessing their skill set. There are a slew of training opportunities available based on your setting, the population that you're working with, identifying evidence-based practices that are specific for your population and really just honing in on those skills and building those skills up. There are also opportunities through the state and nationally to help with student loans, as well as training programs. There are lots of free training programs, just lots of professional development and continuing education opportunities through pursuing licensure as well. The next reason for pursuing behavioral health for me is the idea that we are constantly giving back. So whether you're working with individuals, building up those skill sets, those coping skills with those folks that you're working with, it also impacts people outside of that counseling relationship, like their families, like their friends, like their coworkers. So just that ripple effect that happens in the behavioral health counseling type relationship really goes on to impact the community as a whole. And I think that that's an important idea that we're making a difference in people's lives and the community. I know sometimes we don't always see the change that we hope to see in the people that we're working with, but even just that idea that we're planting a seed and they may develop that later on, I think is really just beneficial in the lives of people. And my final reason for pursuing behavioral health for me is just the demand. So the Health Resources and Services Administration estimates that the behavioral health workforce will just increase over the next 9 years, because the study was done between 2016 and 2030. And so that was even before COVID. I think that the increase in the demand in behavioral health professionals will just continue to grow through the impacts of COVID. I think that also there's been a positive that has come out of the situation that we've been dealing with over the past year, and that's the advances in technology. We're able to reach more individuals, especially rural folks who maybe would not have access to treatment or care outside of these technology advances that we've made. So I think that that will increase the demand as well. So thank you so much for listening to my reasons why I chose behavioral health. Thanks.